Welcome back. Now time for Business Day. The cost to call landlines are set to fall on April 1. This as Cable and Wireless lost an appeal it brought against the Office of Utilities Regulations (OUR) to cut the rates. The OUR calculated new rates for calls to landlines last year, but the implementation was delayed when the matter was appealed by Cable and Wireless. The telecoms company wanted the new rates, which would cut calls to landlines by up to 90%, to be implemented over 3 years. However, that attempt failed in favor of the OUR's decision to cut the rates over a 6-month period. After delays, the first rate cut was implemented in December. Jamaica's trade deficit with CARICOM fell in January as the importation of food and oil from the region declined. The value of oil imports fell 24%, while food imports were down 14%. Both were the biggest contributors to a 21% dip in the trade deficit with CARICOM. New Fortress Energy, the entity which is spending about $1 billion to build a liquefied natural gas (LNG) industry in Jamaica, is pushing to make a bigger inroad in the economy. To that end, the company recently held an entrepreneurship workshop. To profitable Invitees presented ideas for businesses they hope to build into profitable ventures. And that's the Business Day international news and our bite of the week after the break.